So what do you think about Salesforce here? What do you think about Salesforce? Actually, in Salesforce, Salesforce course, I'm going to cover 6 modules, guys. How many modules? 6 modules. Let me discuss about what are the course content, what we are going to discuss in Salesforce. In Salesforce, I'm going to discuss, we are going to cover total 6 modules. The first one is configuration module, then development, third one, integration, fourth one, we have something like administration, one, CRM, the last and final one, lightning. These are the 6 modules I'm going to cover in your syllabus. The next 2.5 months time. Understand everyone? What is the first one here? Configuration, development, integration, administration, CRM, and lightning. Configuration completely purely based on GUI. You don't need to write any coding part here. GUI means graphical user interface. You don't need to write any coding. No programming. You just drag and drop, point and click only. Understand? Next, development, it's little bit coding. For this, we need to use some programming language that is called Apex. Maybe some people got it out. Sir, I don't have any programming skills before. Can I understand Apex programming language or not? You no need to bother, guys. Everything will be taken care of from my side. What is language? What is variable? What is data type? What is syntax? What is statement? Everything I'm going to discuss from scratch. So I promise you guys, I'll make you masters in programming next 3 months. You don't bother about the programming side. Understand? Even non-technical people also can easily understand. Okay. After that, integration. This is also related to coding part. Next, system administration. That is completely related to again GUI. CRM is also related to GUI. Again, lightning part is somewhat coding. So these are the 6 important modules I'm going to cover in your syllabus. Understand? So after that, I'm going to enter into the today's seminar regarding what? Salesforce.com. Okay. So everybody, please look at the screen here. So today's seminar is on what? Salesforce.com. Actually, in IT industry, there are 3 important key players out there. How many important key players? Listen to the class carefully, all of you. There are 3 important key players in IT industry. Okay. The first player is vendor companies or product-based companies. Vendor companies like Microsoft, IBM, Google, Sun Microsystems, Oracle, SAP. These are all comes under what? Vendor companies. Vendor companies can also be called as product-based companies. Why these companies can be called as product-based companies is these are the companies that are developing software products like operating systems, programming languages, databases. So these are all called what? Software products. So whichever company developed all these software products, those companies we can call it as vendor companies or product-based companies. And he is the first important player in IT industry. The second important person in IT industry, development companies or service-based companies. Development companies like what? Tech Mahindra, Cognizant, Capgemini, TCS, Infosys. These people we can call them as what? Development companies. Development companies are developing the software applications as per the another person's requirement in the market. That person we can call them as clients. So client is a business person who is going to do the business in the market. Like that, in IT industry, we have three important key players. We have three important persons. Who is the first person here? Vendor company or product-based companies. Second type of companies can be called as development companies or service-based companies. And the third important person is called clients. The whole game is rotating between all the three people only. Vendor companies like Microsoft, IBM, those are the people are developing are manufacturing the software products. And using those products, development companies are developing the software applications as per the client requirement. That is how the game is rotating between all the three important players. So according to my example, or according to my explanation, what you understand is, in IT industry, we have three important persons are there. Who is the first person here? Vendor companies or product-based companies. Second person, development companies or service-based companies. And the third person, we can call them as clients. Am I clear, all of you? Hello?
Yes.
Guys? Good.
Yes.
Good. So let me discuss about vendor companies. I'm going to show some vendor company names on the screen. Of course, you people are familiar with all these companies. Vendor companies are the most visionary people in the market. They will manufacturing what? Software products like operating systems, programming languages, databases, technologies, applications, packages. These are all software products. All these software products are developed by vendor companies. For your better understanding, I'm giving a simple example about this. Suppose take the example. I hope all of you know about Windows operating system. That Windows operating system developed by Microsoft company that everybody knows. So Microsoft company is a vendor for Windows operating system. Like that, Google company developed one of the application name is called Gmail. Gmail is application which is developed by Google company. Google is a vendor company. Developed one of the application name is called Gmail application. That application everybody can use right now. Out of 100 people, 99 people having Gmail application nowadays. Yes or no? So that Gmail application developed by Google company. Windows is operating system developed by Microsoft. Like that, Oracle is a database, a very well-known database. Even a small kid know about this database name nowadays in the market. That Oracle database developed by Oracle company. Like that, IBM is a company also developed one of the database product like Oracle. The database product name is called DB2. So DB2 stands for database 2, which is developed by a vendor company called IBM. Like that, SAP company also developed one of the database product name is called HANA. HANA is a database that is developed by SAP company. Like that, Microsoft, Oracle, Google, IBM, SAP, like these companies, Salesforce is also a vendor company. Salesforce is also a vendor company. This company started in 1999, San Francisco, California, USA. This company's CEO is Mark Benioff. Mark Benioff is the owner of this company. Actually, Salesforce owner Mark Benioff is ex-employee in Oracle company. He resigned the job from this company. He started his own business. The company name is called Salesforce. This company, Salesforce, runs on the concept name is called cloud computing. What is cloud computing and all? Down the line, I will discuss. Don't bother. But according to this point, what you understand is vendor companies are those people, they will develop what? Software products like operating systems, programming languages, databases, technologies, operating systems, applications. These are all developed by whom? Vendor companies. Oracle database developed by Oracle company. Gmail application developed by Google company. Windows operating system developed by Microsoft. .NET is also a technology that is also developed by Microsoft. Like programming language, Java is a programming language developed by Sun Microsystems. Of course, Oracle company take over that company, Sun Microsystems. That is Java language. Like that, These are all software products. All these software products are developed by vendor companies. Is everyone understand who is vendor company and what actually they are doing in the market? Ramesh and rest of all the people in the classroom. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Am I going fast? Shall I go in the same pace, guys?
Yeah,
Is it
yeah,
okay
going
for
well.
you?
Sir.
Going good.
So I hope all of you understand who is vendor companies and all and what they are exactly doing in the market. Okay. So Salesforce is also a vendor company. This company started in 1999, San Francisco, California. This company runs on the concept name is called cloud computing. This is the background history of Salesforce company. Is this clear? Now tell me, out of 3 important person IT industry, first person is vendor company. And who is the second person? Who is the second important player?
Development companies.
Development companies. What is the relation between these two companies? Vendor companies developing what or manufacturing what? Software products. Yes or no? Like operating systems, programming languages and all. Using those products, development companies are developing software applications as per the business requirement. Understand all of you? Speak out all of you.
Yes, sir. They
Okay.
customize the things.
Very good. So there are so many development companies in the market, like we have something like Infosys, we have some Accenture, Gemini, Tech Mahindra, Deloitte, TCS, okay, Ash Technologies. There are so many companies in the market. Okay, guys, all these companies comes under what? Development companies can also be called as service-based companies. And these companies are developing the software applications as per the business requirement. Tell me, who will doing the business? Who are doing the business in the market? There is another person in the market. Okay, those people we can call them as
Clients.
So clients are the business people. They are doing the business in the market, and these clients are going to use the software applications in their business. Understand all of you?
Yes.
So who are the clients in the market? There are so many clients. These are the end users. They are going to use the software applications in their business. Who are the clients in the business?
Banks, insurance companies.
Banks. Okay. We have telecom industries. We have insurance companies. We have travel and tourism. Okay. We have education. Yes or no?
Yes.
I can say Barclays is the best example for what? Banking industry. As far as Indian market point of view is concerned, we have so many banks like ICICI Bank, we have HDFC Bank, okay, we have Punjab National Bank, we have SBI, we have SBH. There are so many banks in the market. Clear all of you?
Yes.
Okay, like that telecom industries like Airtel, Vodafone, Idea, yes or no? These all belongs to telecom industry. Insurance companies like ICICI Lombard, LIC of India, Allianz, these are all comes under what? Insurance companies. Like travel and tourism, we have so many things out there, like IRCTC, Indian Airlines, Cathay Pacific, Emirates, Ola Cabs, Uber Cabs, these are all comes under what? Travel business. Yes or no? Like that education business, like University of Oxford, Stanford University. In India, so many universities like JNTU. Yes or no? Indira Gandhi National Open University. These are all comes under what? Education business. Now tell me all of you, right side, these are all clients. Left side, these are all what? Business domains. What is business domain? Business domain means different types of businesses, different layers of business. Banking is one kind of industry. Telecom is another kind of industry. Insurance, travel and tourism, education, hospital, health. Understand? Like hotels, shopping malls. These are all what? Different kinds of business layers. Those people we can call them as business domains. And these are all clients. Barclays belongs to which domain? Banking domain. Vodafone belongs to which domain? Telecom domain. Emirates belongs to which domain? Travel and tourism. University of Oxford belongs to which domain? Education. Say yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. So these people, we can call them as clients. Now, my question is, these are the clients are going to use what? Software applications in their business. Yes or no? Speak out, all of you.
Yes, they'll be using app.
Now, a simple question I'm asking and try to understand here, guys. Tell me, 30, 40 years back, 30, 40 years back, even 30, 40 years back, do we have banks in the market? Ramesh?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, we have banks in the market. Do we have telecom industries in the market? Yes, we
Yes,
have
sir.
BSNL. We have BSNL. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Do we have insurance companies?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
LIC have almost more than 100 years history is there. Yes or no, Ramesh?
Yes, sir.
Because LIC, what? Your company. Here,
Yes, sir.
good. Like the travel and tourism, we have trains, buses, okay, education. So like that 30, 40 years back, all these business domains are there. But 30, 40 years back, nobody using what? Software applications. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, everything they're doing the business through paperwork, through file system. They never use what? Software applications in their business. They do not use any systems also. Correct or wrong? Tell me.
Correct.
Now my question is, they did the business without using software applications. Now they are doing the business using software applications. So what are the advantages of using software applications in their business? Nowadays, wherever you go, we can see systems. They are using what? Software applications in their business. Suppose I'm going to the bank. They are using what? Software application. They are using what? Systems. Like that, if I'm going to an insurance company, there also I can see what? Systems and software. Yes or no?
Yes.
Like that, nowadays, wherever I can go, I can see systems, I can see how they are using software applications and all. Now, my question is, what are the advantages of using software applications in their business?
Fast
Business.
transaction.
Ease of business. Ease of doing business is
Very good. Actually, there are so many advantages, guys. So those are the
time.
advantages. Yeah, those are the advantages I'm going to discuss right now and try to understand, guys. Clear? Look at this, all of you, and try to understand. Benefits of using what? Speak out.
Faster transaction.
Someone need to mute, guys. Some disturbance. Benefits of using software applications in the business or in business domains. What are the benefits? First benefit is what here? Speak out. Saves the time. Second advantage is what? Security. The third advantage is scalability. The fourth advantage is what?
Accuracy.
You will get the accurate information. Once you get the accurate information, you can take the correct decision. Yes or no?
Yes.
And also you can improve the business performance by taking the correct decision. Yes or no? So these are the major advantages of using what? Using software applications in the business. What is the first one here? It saves the time. For your better understanding, I'm giving a simple example. Suppose myself and Jagdish both are the friends. Okay, Jagdish? Am I audible, Jagdish? Hello? Speak out. Okay, Ramesh, you and myself both are the friends. I'm talking about 40 years back, man.
Okay, sir.
Ramesh and myself both are the friends. Ramesh, just try to understand. You have the account in SBI.
Okay, sir.
I have the account in Andhra Bank. Understand?
Okay,
I
sir.
want to transfer some amount to your account.
Okay.
If I want to transfer some amount to your account, I need to go to Andhra Bank.
Go to Andhra Bank and you have to withdraw the amount, and again you have to come to this bank and again you have to deposit, sir.
Deposit. Tell me, the whole process takes the minimum 1 hour time or
Sir, it takes 2 to 3 days, sir. At that
maybe
time.
2 to 3 days also. Very good. So that is long back story. But nowadays, you no need to go to the bank. Sir, no. I'm using
seconds, sir.
Yeah, I'm using net banking application, mobile banking application, Phone Pay, Google
and
Pay.
UPI apps. UPI.
Yes, exactly. So using these applications, I can easily transfer the funds within minutes. Am I correct or not?
Yes, sir.
From my account to my friend's account.
Yes,
Now
sir.
tell me, all of you, net banking, mobile banking, phone pay, Google Pay, what are all these? These are all software applications or not? Using
Yes,
these
sir.
software applications, I can easily transfer the funds from my account to my friend's account. According to this example, what do you understand is, if you are using software application, what is the primary advantage? Saves your time.
Saves the time.
Second advantage, what is this?
Security.
Security. So what is the security? Very simple. Okay, I withdraw 10,000 rupees from my account. I want to deposit in your bank. I'm walking down on the road. In the meanwhile, somebody touched my wallet. The whole amount I lost. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Tell
Never
me,
possible.
it means that 40 years back, if you want to perform any kind of transaction in the market, you have to carry the cash with you, liquid cash. Without carrying the cash, it is not possible to perform any kind of operation in the market. Yes or no?
Yes.
Speak out. But
Yes.
nowadays,
Yes.
if you want to drink a coffee, or if you want to drink a tea or any soft drink, you no need to carry the cash with you for that also. Yes or no? Simply I
Yes,
go
sir.
there,
You can
I
scan the QR.
drink one soft drink. Okay. So I pay the amount through what? I paid the amount through what? Phone Pay or Google Pay or Paytm. Yes or no?
Yes.
So once I do not carry the cash with me, indirectly am I getting security for my amount or not? For my cash or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So is it software application really indirectly providing the security for my cash? This is the second advantage. What is the third advantage? Scalability. What is the meaning of scalability? Ramesh, may I know who belongs to which place?
Sir, from Andhra, sir.
Andhra, which place?
Rajahmundry, sir.
Rajahmundry. He belongs to Rajahmundry. Suppose I am in Hyderabad. Okay. Suppose you opened the account in SBI. Okay. In
Yes, sir.
one of the place in Rajahmundry, like Prakash Nagar. Understand?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Okay. And I have the account SBI in Amirpet branch, Hyderabad.
Okay.
Just try to understand.
Okay, sir.
If I want to transfer the funds from my account to your account,
Okay.
I have to withdraw some amount from ATM counter, sorry, from my bank SBI.
Okay.
Okay. I need to travel all the way from Hyderabad to Rajahmundry. I need to go to the bank where you opened the account.
Okay.
There only I can deposit.
Yes, sir.
Why? Because that branch is different, this branch is different.
Yes, sir.
That bank is different, this bank is different.
Yes.
Clear all of you? So 40, 50 years back, every bank, every branch working independently. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
One bank is nowhere related to other bank, on one branch is nowhere related to other branch. That is long back story. But once software come into the market, we can integrate all the banks, we can integrate all the branches across the globe, across the world. We can easily transfer the funds from anywhere to anywhere across the globe. So no, it is all we can achieve through what? Scalability. Clear all of you? Everyone in the point?
Yes, sir.
So what is the first advantage? It saves your time. Second advantage, it gives us security. The third advantage is scalability. And also you will get the correct information whenever you want. If you get the correct information as a decision maker, you can take the decision rightly. Yes or no? You can take the correct decision. If you take the correct decision, automatically your business will improve or not. Speak out, everyone. So these are the these are the 6 major advantages of using what? Software applications in the business. Am I clear, everyone?
Yes.
Am I clear, all of you, everyone? Advantages of using software applications in the business domains. Saves time, security, scalability, accurate information, easy decision making, and we can improve the business. Understand, Ramesh and all?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good. Next. Now I'm going to discuss about the difficulties, problems in traditional system. What are the difficulties? What are the problems in traditional system? As of now, we discussed about only advantages. Now I'm going to discuss about what? Problems in traditional system. What are the problems in traditional system? What are the problems of using software applications? That is a point I'm going to focus in this slide. Listen the class carefully and try to understand. What are the problems here? The first problem is both the clients and development companies, they need to upgrade the software on their own. They need to install the software on their own. They need to maintain the software on their own. Upgradation, installation, maintenance. Everything will be taken care of by clients and as well as development companies. For your better understanding, I'm giving a simple example about this so that you can clearly understand what I'm speaking here. Okay, let me discuss this example. Suppose I'm a business person. I have a business. I have a company. My company name is called XYZ company. This company is going to start maybe next year. For my company activities and all, I need some software application. That is why I given this project to a company called TCS. Here, TCS is a development company. That company is going to develop the application as per my company requirement. Understand the point here. If they want to develop the application as per my company requirement, they need some software products or not, like operating system, programming languages, databases. Sir, no.
Yes, sir.
That is why all these products are manufactured by whom here? Vendor companies.
Vendor companies.
That is why TCS need to purchase operating systems, programming languages, databases from vendor companies or not.
Yes, sir.
They need to invest some amount because they should not use what pirated software. They need to use only licensed
Licensed
software.
one.
Licensed software cost is very expensive. Okay, they are in the amount in lakhs. Understand all of you?
Yes, sir.
And also software products keep on changing version to version. So whenever version will change, both the clients and development companies need to upgrade the software. Sir, no?
Yes, sir.
Again, they need to install the software. They need to maintain the software or not. Maintenance means what? They have to maintain the separate server rooms. They have to maintain separate database administrators. They need to pay the salaries for those people, lakhs of rupees. I don't know whether you remember or not, near about 5-6 years back in Chennai, almost 10 days continuous rains. Yes or no? 5 years back, I hope so. Continuous rains 10 days. All the software companies are completely closed. The water come inside the in the companies. The water come inside the database server rooms. All the systems are collapsed. Do you remember that?
Yes.
5-6 years back,
Sir.
continuous rains. You believe it or not, those 10 days, all the companies are closed. Almost $10 billion lost those 10 days. Again, they have to re-establish all the things. This all comes under what here? Maintenance. Yes or no? That is why in problems in traditional system is what here? Both clients and development companies, they need to keep on updating the software. They need to install the software. They need to maintain the software on their own. Upgradation, installation, maintenance, comprising of all is what? It leads to increase the setup cost. Setup cost will increase day by day, like anything for both clients and as well as development companies. That is the reason only top level companies or premium level companies are using software applications, but not small companies nowadays. Do you understand what I'm speaking here? Once again, I'm repeating, guys. Listen carefully, all of you, and try to understand. In traditional system, both clients and development companies, they need to upgrade the software on their own. They have to install the software on their own. They have to maintain the software on their own. Upgradation, installation, maintenance. It leads to what?
Increase in cost.
Setup cost will increase day by day like anything for both clients and development companies. That is the reason only top level companies are using software applications, but not small companies. Understand everyone here?
Yes, sir.
Now here Ramesh got a doubt. What is Ramesh doubt is, sir, I understand the problems, but how you can say only top level companies are using software applications, but not small companies? That is his doubt. That I'm going to explain with an example, and you can understand clearly. Listen the class careful, all of you. I hope all of you know about KFC. Sir, no.
Yes, sir.
KFC, Kentucky Fried Chicken.
Kentucky Fried Chicken.
Okay. I went to the KFC restaurant. I ordered one burger. Then there is a person who is sitting or standing in front of the system. He takes my order. He inserts the order into the system. He given some printed token to me. I need to wait for some time. After that, I will get the order. Understand all of you?
Yes, sir.
Speak out. In this particular scenario,
Yes, sir.
once you enter into the KFC restaurant, are they using software applications in their business? Speak out.
Yes, sir.
Are they having its own systems, computer systems? Yes. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes,
It
sir.
means that KFC people are using their own software. They are having its own systems. It means that KFC people are using what software applications in their business. Yes or no, all of you? Accepted everyone?
Yes, sir.
Good. Good. Suppose in Amirpet Center, there is a small bakery. Let us assume like this. In Amirpet Center, Hyderabad, there is a small bakery. I went to the bakery. I ordered same burger. The bakery owner or maybe shopkeeper, whoever is, they given the amount to, they taken the amount to me, they given the order to me. That's it. They do not maintain any software system. They do not maintain any system. They do not maintain any software. It's all. But almost KFC
Yes.
business, bakery business, both are look like same. Almost same. But why KFC people are using software applications in their business? Why not bakery? The reason is KFC, if you take, KFC has lots of branches across the globe. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That is why their business turnover in crores. But whereas bakery, in Amirpet Center, there is only one branch. That is why that person business turnover may be in thousands or lakhs. That is why bakery owner is not in the position to afford what? What is this?
Cost.
Setup cost. So according to this example, what you understand is only top level companies or premium level companies are using what?
Software.
Not small companies or low level companies. Is this point everyone understand? My example?
Understood, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now tell me, how to decrease the setup cost? If you decrease the setup cost, then automatically small people are also can use software applications or not. Speak out, all of you.
Yes, sir. Yes.
If you decrease the setup cost, then automatically software applications reaching to whom? Small people also, small companies also. Yes or no? Small
Yes,
business
sir.
people also. How to decrease the setup cost? How to decrease the setup cost? That is why vendor companies, that is why vendor companies come up with a new concept name is called, guys. That is why vendor companies come up with a new concept name is called what? What is this, guys? Everybody please read it.
Cloud computing.
Cloud computing. Cloud computing main
Cloud
advantage.
computing.
Yeah. Cloud computing main advantage. Cloud computing main goal is to reduce the setup cost. Once we reduce the setup cost, then automatically customers will increase. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. But what is cloud computing here? Try to understand. Excuse me. Look at this. What is cloud computing? Cloud computing is a concept or a technology. Here, whatever IT services we require, every service like hardware service or software service, every service will be provided by vendor company over the internet. And we can access those services. This is the concept of what? Cloud computing. Or the other way around, the practice of using a network of remote servers hosted on the internet to store, manage, and process the data rather than a local server or a personal computer. Do you understand what I'm speaking here, guys?
Yes, sir.
So once again, I'm repeating, guys, listen carefully, all of you. Cloud computing concept is very simple. Just try to understand what I'm speaking. It is a concept or a technology. Here, whatever IT services we require, everything provided by vendor company. As a user, we just need only internet connection and access those services. What kind of services? It might be hardware service or it may be software.
Software service.
Software service.
Everything provided by vendor company. As a user, we just need only what? Internet connection. We have internet connection, we can access these services. And how much services we are using, for that service only we have to pay. You no need to pay anything extra. This is called a pay-per-use model. What is this?
Pay-per-use model.
Pay-per-use model. Pay-per-use means what? How much services we are using. For that service only we need to pay. You no need to pay anything extra. This is a simple concept of what? Cloud computing. Clear all of you? And even though
Yes,
you're not
sir.
able to, you cannot understand what is the meaning of cloud computing and all, I'm going to give a simple example so that you can clearly understand what is the meaning of cloud computing. Shall I? Shall I give the example?
Go ahead, sir.
Good. Listen carefully. Suppose every day I want to check my mails 5 to 10 minutes, and also
Yes,
I want
sir.
to take some print out.
Yes.
Just try to understand. Every day I want to check my mails 5 to 10 minutes. I want to take the printout also. My mails. For that, I need to purchase a laptop or not? Because
No.
I have to
Yes.
purchase a laptop and also have to purchase a printer. Sir, no.
Yes, sir.
Okay. After that, I need to take some internet connection. I need to install some software, and every month I need to pay the rent for the internet. Sir, no.
Yes. Sir.
Approximately
Yes.
70 to 80,000 rupees I need to invest to create the whole setup. Sir, no.
Yes, sir.
Tell me, for just browsing only 5 to 10 minutes for checking the mails, 80,000 rupees investment is idle investment? Is it wise investment? No. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. That is why I simply go to
Internet shop.
center
Yes,
or
sir.
internet center or cyber cafe.
Yes,
whatever
sir.
it is. There I'm going to check my mails. I can take the printout from
Yeah.
there. Okay. Suppose if I'm using only 15 minutes, I can pay 10 rupees. If I'm using half an hour, I have to pay 20 rupees. If I'm using 3 hours, maybe I need to pay 100 rupees. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Depending on how much time I'm using. That amount of time only I have to pay the rent. To whom? The internet center owner. Yes or no?
Internet center. Yes, sir.
Yes. Now tell me a simple question I'm asking. In the internet center, who purchased all the systems inside? Internet center owner. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And who purchased the printer? Internet
Internet
center owner.
owner.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Who took the internet connection from ISP?
Internet owner.
Internet center owner. The whole setup is maintained by whom here?
Internet center
Internet
owner.
center owner.
So who am I? I'm a user. I'm a customer.
Client.
I'm a user.
Client.
I'm a
Yes.
client. Simply I go there, access the service, how much services I'm using. For that only have to pay and come back. That ends the story. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
You
Yes,
got
sir.
it. So that is the meaning of cloud computing. That is the meaning of cloud computing here. So here also, whatever IT services you require, everything provided by whom? Vendor company.
Owner only.
Owner.
Okay.
Vendor company is the owner. Yes or no? As a user, we just need
Yes,
only
sir.
what? Internet connection and access those services. Clear all of you? Hello?
Clear, sir. Clear, sir.
That is the meaning of what here? Cloud computing. Understand,
Cloud
Ramesh?
computing. Yes,
Everyone
sir.
understand? Good. So
Understood, sir.
cloud computing provides 3 types of services, guys. How many types?
3 types of
types.
services.
What is the first one here? IaaS, PaaS, and what? PaaS. IaaS stands for
PaaS,
infrastructure as a service.
Structure as a
PaaS
service.
stands for platform as a service. SaaS stands for what? Software as a service.
Software.
Like that, Salesforce provides, or vendor company provides what? 3 types of services over the cloud.
3 types.
One is what? Infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service. Infrastructure as a service means here, vendor company provides hardware as a service. That is called what? Infrastructure. Here, platform service means here vendor company provides software as a service. Software means what? Operating systems, programming languages, databases. That kind of service can be called platform as a service. Software as a service means here vendor company provides application directly as a service. Then that kind of service can be called as what? Software as a service. or
Software
application.
as a service.
For your better understanding, I'm giving a simple example. Gmail company developed one of the application name is called what? Sorry, Google company developed one of the application name is called what? Gmail. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Google company developed one of the application name is called what? Gmail. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
And that Gmail application they provided directly as a service to all of us.
Yes, sir.
Then that kind of service we can call it as what?
Software as a
Yes.
service.
Software as a service or application as a service. Like that.
As a service.
Yeah, we have three types of services, guys. Infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service.
Service.
Am I clear this point?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in future classes, we will discuss elaborately what is infrastructure, what is platform, what is software as a service. Okay. Don't bother. about
Okay,
this.
sir.
Okay. So as of now, we discussed about what is Salesforce and how many important key players in IT industry, that is vendor companies, development companies and clients, what are their roles in the market, okay, what are the benefits of using software applications in the business, what are the difficulties, okay, and how those
How to
difficulties are overcome to cloud computing, what is cloud computing, what kind of services cloud computing provides. All these points we discussed last 40 minutes. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
I hope you understand this. Good. Next most important point I'm going to focus here. What are the career opportunities in Salesforce? Guys, listen carefully and try to understand. By 2020 ending, Salesforce need 1.1 million developers. How many?
1.1 million.
1 million.
That much of huge requirement is there in Salesforce by 2022 ending. All of you understand? It is not my words, guys.
Yes.
It is not my words. I will show you one YouTube live. You can see, understand. He's right. Is this? Good. Sunil Joe's Salesforce. Do we know who is he?
Vice President.
Yeah, he's the vice president. Here. Look at the screen of here.
The audio is muted. Okay.
There is no audio.
Guys, am I audible?
You are audible. The audio is not.
Audio is not there.
Stop the audio. Okay, if you have the time, please go through this video. Okay, he explains many important things with respect to jobs, with respect to career in Salesforce and all next down the line 5 to 10 years. Okay, so undoubtedly, guys, as far as my experience point of is concerned, last 20-25 years. Okay, listen carefully. So definitely, I can assure that Salesforce gives better future, brighter future for you guys. Down the line, next, down the line, undoubtedly, next 5 to 10 years. Understand all of you? Hello?
Yes.
Okay. So maybe you got so many doubts because you're learning, suppose today you're learning, suppose today you're attending Salesforce seminar. Maybe tomorrow your friend asking, okay, Salesforce is not good. Go for other technology like Microsoft Azure or AWS. And one of your friend, another friend told that go for big data or data science. Like that, different advices you will receive from your friends. Yes or no?
Yes.
Because you are completely confused straight. So which technology I need to choose and which technology gives me bright future? Yes or no? You are simply stand in the crossroads. Feel all of you.
Hmm.
So
Correct.
here I'm going to clarify all of your doubts, guys. Listen carefully and try to understand. So I'll give a good roadmap for your career here. See here, down the line, next 5 to 10 years, there are 4 technologies completely dominating in IT market. How many?
4.
4 technologies. One is first priority data science. Second one, cloud technologies. The third one, artificial intelligence. Last and final one, blockchain. Total how many here? 4.
4.
Blockchain, artificial intelligence, cloud technologies, and data science. Okay, guys. If you want to go for data science, suppose take the example,
Yes, sir.
Take the example Ramesh. Okay, Ramesh completely belongs to different background. If you want to go for data science side, suppose you should have the prior knowledge on mathematics, statistics, and some other knowledge. Then only you can understand what data science. It is very difficult to understand also. Technology is somewhat complicated. Understand? But coming to the next one, cloud technologies. In cloud technologies also, we have different layers are there, like Salesforce, AWS, Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, like different layers, different things are there in cloud computing. But among these 3, which one I need to go? My suggestion is you can go for Salesforce. Why? Because if you want to go for AWS, before that you should learn about what Linux and Linux administration. Without understanding Linux and Linux administration, you can't understand what AWS. Understand all of you. That is why
Yes.
if you want to learn any technology before you join that, you should have or you should require some prior knowledge on different aspects. Understand all of you.
Yes,
But
sir.
once you come to Salesforce, if you want to learn Salesforce, you do not require any prior knowledge on any aspects, on any technology, on anything. Understand all of you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Even a layman also can easily understand Salesforce, guys. Both technical persons and non-technical persons. IT people, non-IT people. You believe it or not, listen carefully. I swear on the God. One of my old student, his name is Sriram. He's almost more than 40 years age. He's having almost 25 years experience in sales side. Understand all of you.
Yes, sir.
Especially Ramesh, you. More than 40 years, 45 years, I remember, 45 years. At that particular stage, like you, he fed up with his subject. Sorry, he fed up with the job because so much pressure.
Yes, sir.
That is why he want to change his career into Salesforce side, software side. He is my old student. You believe it or not, he don't know what is computer definition also.
Oh.
That is his stage. That is his stage.
Sir, you are giving
Understand all of
you
you?
are giving
6 months.
hope, sir.
Yes, sir.
6 months he stand with me. 6 months he stand with me. Now he is working as a developer in one of the MNC company in India. I swear on the God, guys. His name is Sriram. Still I remember his name. 6 months he stand with me. You don't know what is computer definition also. Believe it or not. Almost he attended more than 10 to 25 interviews. Fail. Wherever he go, everything is fail. Wherever he go, everything in all aspects is failed. Understand all of you. But finally he succeed. Finally he succeed. Now he is working as a developer at the age of 45 years.
Oh, great, great, sir.
Understand all of you. Do you know how much package is having right now? 15 lakhs per annum. Excuse me. 15 lakhs per annum. Excuse me, guys. 15 lakhs per
Yes, sir.
annum. Someone need to mute. Lot of disturbance around you. So by 2022, okay, Salesforce need 1.1 million developers requirement is there. If you have the time, please go through the video what I shown before. Sunil Joshi is the vice president in Asian countries. Understand all of you?
Yes,
Next
sir.
one. Next one. Who can learn Salesforce? Question mark. As I said, everybody can learn about Salesforce. Both IT students, non-IT students, technical students, non-technical students, BTech freshers, BTech, maybe experienced people. Okay. Normal BCom, BSc people also can easily understand what and learn Salesforce. No doubt, guys. If you people got a doubt, sir, I completed my BTech 2017, 2016, 2015, 2014. Now this much of gap is there. Can I go for Salesforce side or not? How can I put my experience? Everything I have the answer. For everything I have the answer, guys. Maybe some people got a doubt, sir. I recently completed my MCR BTech in 2021 passed out or 2020 passed out. Can I get the job in Salesforce as a fresher or not? See, guys, Salesforce, you will get a job in Salesforce as a fresher and as well as the experience also. Clear, all of you? As a
Yes,
fresher
sir.
also, you can get the experience. As a experience also, you'll get the job in Salesforce. Clear, all of you? Suppose
sir.
I'm a BTech fresher. I don't have any previous experience, job experience. Okay. In case if I'm a fresher, I can join in a small company as a Salesforce developer. My best suggestion is initially joined in a small company. If you join in a small company as a developer, you'll get more chance to, you'll get more scope to learn the subject rather than joining big companies. Understand all of you?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So you'll get more scope to understand the subject. You'll get more scope to understand the situations and all. Okay. Once you join a small company.
Yes, sir.
Once you got experience, 6 months, 1 year experience, if you got a small company, then you can go for some other company with high salary.
Okay.
All of you. That is why everyone can learn what Salesforce, guys. No doubt about this. Even what do you call it? Technical students, science background and arts background students also can easily understand Salesforce. Okay, guys. Next, what are the prerequisites for Salesforce? What are the prerequisites? Any graduation is enough. Understand all of you? Any graduation is enough to learn what? Salesforce. Either BCom, either BSc Computers or BCA or MCA, BTech, MTech. Anyone can learn what? Salesforce. You do not require any prerequisites. Understand the point, guys? Maybe some people got it out. Sir, he just said Salesforce have one programming language called Apex. So I don't have any programming skills before. Can I understand Apex language or not? And before I joined Salesforce course, do I need to learn any language like Java, C, C++ or not? You do not require to learn any programming language before. Understand all of you? I told you already. I'm going to start the class very from scratch. What is language? What is statement? What is variable? What is data type? What is token? Everything I'm going to start from scratch. And I promise you, next 3-4 months of time, I will make you masters in programming. Sriram is the best example for that. Just believe me, stand with me 3
Nice,
months.
sir.
I'll show the job.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Clear all of you?
Sure, sir.
At the
Thank
end
you,
of
sir.
the session, or at the end of the syllabus, okay, I'm going to take the mock interviews, all of you. If I'm satisfied with your
Sure,
answers,
sir.
if I'm satisfied with your answers, I will forward your resumes to some other companies from my side. Clear all of you?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Kind of assurance I'm giving you. Every day I'm going to provide the running notes. Every day I'm going to provide the material. Anyway, DURGASOFT is going to provide. Every day I'm going to provide the running material, running notes. Okay. And I will provide the
Yes.
interview questions because I'm working as a corporate trainer, guys, for CTS. Popcorn Labs, or I heard the name called Popcorn Labs?
No, sir.
Which corner?
Popcorn Apps.
It is in
Popcorn.
Hyderabad.
It's in Hyderabad. So in that company, I was working as a corporate trainer.
Okay.
Okay.
Clear all of you. So
Yes, sir.
I have so many interview questions I will share with you. We will discuss in the classroom. No problem, guys. And after that, job profiles in Salesforce. There are basically 2 types of job profiles in Salesforce, guys. One is admin job, the other one is developer job.
Developer.
Developer and administration. Clear all of you. Either
Yes,
you
sir.
can go for admin side or you can go for development side. So whichever you like. But if you go for development side, you will get more salary than what?
Admin.
Admin. Admin also you will get more jobs, no problem. But comparatively, I can say, if you go for development side, you'll get more salary than administrator. Maybe some people still caring about programming. Some people still caring about programming. Sir, I cannot fit into programming side, sir. What is the solution for this? My suggestion is go for administration side. Understand?
Yes, sir.
So these are the 2 job profiles in Salesforce. And coming to the duration of the course, we have almost near about 2.5 months to 3 months course. It is how much?
2.5 to 3 months.
2.5 months to 3 months. In this span of 2.5 months to 3 months course, I'm going to discuss 6 modules. What is the first one? Configuration, development, integration, administration,
administration,
CRM, and Lightning.
CRM, and Lightning.
These are the 6 important modules I'm going to cover next of time. Clear all of you?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
That's is the overall picture about what? Salesforce, what is cloud computing and all. Okay, what are the benefits of cloud computing? Okay, what are the job opportunities? Okay, what are the prerequisites? Okay, everything. What are the modules? What is the course duration? Okay, everything we discussed last 1.5 hours. I hope all of you understand. No,
Yes, sir.
You
We
have
don't
cleared
understand.
all the doubts, sir,
You-
regarding this course.
Thank you, guys. Thank you very much. I hope all of you enjoyed the session today. Okay.
Yes.
If I'm going fast, please let me know. No problem, guys. Feel free. Treat me like your friend. Understand?
Okay,
Sure,
sir.
sir.
Thank you, guys. So I'm going to start a batch. So Durga management is going to share the information regarding when the batch is going to start and all. Please ask them. Okay.
Sure, sir.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Any questions from your side?
No, sir.
Questions? Thank you. All of you understand, Rajesh?
Sir,
So
Understood,
what
sir.
about the practicals, hands-on exercises?
Yeah, every day at the end of the session, I'm going to give the assignments to you. Clear?
Okay.
So we have to create a separate WhatsApp group for your batch. And you have to post your answers in that group. I'm going to check every day. In case while you're practicing, okay, if you stuck somewhere else, you can ping me. I will clarify your doubts. I'll share my number.
So the practical demo lab we will get, or how it is?
So you can practice on your own, on your system. You don't need to download any software and all. You do not require any software. Everything you can use through cloud. The only thing you require is what? Internet connection. That's it.
But the
You don't need to
instance
install any
where
software.
we'll create on Salesforce directly, we can log in, we can create free account or what?
Yes, free account only. I'll show you. What's your name?
Ibrahim.
Ibrahim.
Hello.
Shantanu, how are you?
I'm good.
Shantanu?
I'm good, sir. How are you?
I think you're attending evening batch.
I'm sorry.
I think you're attending evening batch.
Yes, evening match only, because right now that
Yeah.
is the only time, right?
Okay. And Shantanu is my old student, is at evening batch. Shantanu, how you feel about the sessions?
It is very good, man. It's very, very easy to understand. Thank you for
Okay.
that.
Please share the feedback with your friends
Yes, it's very
about the
good.
sessions.
Yeah, even I'm not from computer background or IT background, but I find it very easy so far.
Thank you, Shantanu.
Sir, time. Actually, time ఎప్పుడు ఉండొచ్చు సార్?
Maximum evening time only.
సార్ ఈవినింగ్ అంటే మేబీ అంటే అరౌండ్ అంటే దుర్గాసాఫ్ట్
Maybe time is not yet decided, Mr. Rajesh. Please ask the management of Durga.
ఓకే సార్.
So, Sai, one question. Do we have offline batch as well?
No offline as of now because of COVID problem. Okay. So, no offline as of now. Sorry. Mohammed, I'll show you here. Look at this, Mohammed.
Okay.
And online is better, Mohammed. That's where are you from? Mohammed Devrim.
Yeah, I am from Delhi.
You're from Delhi. So if you want offline classes, you have to come to Hyderabad. You have to stay in the hostel. It's more expensive for you. Yes or no?
Right. Yes.
So you can listen the class from your home. Where is? See here. Developer.force.com. Developer.force.com. Okay. Here, Ibrahim, look at this.
Yeah.
Sign up
Your
button.
screen is not visible.
Oh, screen is not visible. Why? Let me.
I think you're not shared.
1 minute. Now it's okay.
No. Yeah. Now it's visible.
Yeah. What is this? What is the edition we are using?
Developer edition.
Yeah. A full-featured copy of Lightning platform for free. So we need to create the account here. Okay, Ibrahim?
Okay.
I'll show you. I'll create the account. Mohammed. Okay. Let me give my mail ID. Job, developer. Very easy. Your company. Let me give some IBM. India. Salesforce is very easy, guys. Okay. Mohammed Ibrahim. First 2 letters I'm taking @mi.ibm.com. Okay, Ibrahim.
Okay.
Click on sign up. I will receive some email from the Salesforce company. There I need to set your password. Okay, almost there. Check your mail. Check your mail to confirm your account. Open this. Let me refresh. It takes some couple of minutes time to get the email notification. Please wait. Very easy, Ibrahim. Which part of Delhi belongs to, Ibrahim?
South Delhi.
South Delhi, okay. So, what's your occupation?
Occupation is actually currently I'm working.
Sorry, come again.
I'm working as a Linux admin.
Okay, Linux admin. Okay.
Right.
Good. Take some time. Please wait. At least 1 minute.
Hello, sir. Sir, this is Anil this side.
Yeah, Anil, tell me.
Yeah, sir, are we going to cover the service cloud, some basic information in this?
Yes, Service Cloud, Sales Cloud, Marketing Cloud, Okay, that we will discuss in CRM, the overall one.
Okay, one thing, sir.
There is a combination of all these three.
So, Service Cloud is like how it is used in market currently. Like which one is a
Please
more
see,
scope?
Service Cloud, Marketing Cloud, these are all related to functional side. It's not technical side. Understand?
Okay.
So our focus, our course main focus is on what? Technical side, development side. Only.
Development side. Okay. Just take a general question, sir. Like how is the market for Service Cloud? Basically, in terms of
That's okay, but it's not comparatively development.
is
Not
it
that
big?
much. good.
Okay.
But other countries like Australia, because
Hmm.
generally I took the session for Australian people, US people, Canada, Germany. Okay, all these people I'm taking the classes online. Okay, but as per their information, okay, what they said is Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, cloud side is also very good in the market, especially in Australia, because one of my student name is Shweta is there.
Hmm.
Okay. She is working as working in Sales Cloud side. Right.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Now I got a mail. Ibrahim, look at this. Welcome to Salesforce. Verify your account. Okay, Ibrahim.
Yeah.
Very easy, Ibrahim. Very easy. You can enjoy the work while you're working with Salesforce. Click on what? Verify account. What is the username I created just now? ma@ibm.com.
Right.
Click on verify account. Here we have to set your password. Huh? Everybody can enjoy, guys. Next 3 months you can enjoy the work. You can enjoy learning the courses. Learning this course. ABCD 1, 2, 3, 4. ABCD 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, answer. Which city you born? Born in where? Delhi. Okay. Change password. Very simple. Like that, we can create the account. Okay. This is the Salesforce environment. Lightning environment, guys. What is Lightning? What is Classic? We will discuss later. Or I heard the name called Classic and Lightning. Anyone of you? Lightning platform, Classic platform.
Yes, sir. Classic is the previous one, sir.
Yeah,
And
Classic
Lightning
is the
is the
old one.
latest.
Lightning is the
Yes.
latest one.
Latest
We
one.
can develop the application in 2 modes, guys. Lightning mode and as well as Classic mode. Lightning is the new one. Look and feel is different. Right side. Classic is the old one. Okay, understand all of you? This is the Lightning. This is the Lightning platform. See, look at the URL here. Lightning.force.com. You can see. Understand, Ramesh? Okay. Now, extreme top right hand side, there is a boy with monkey cap. Click on him. What is this? Switch to Salesforce Classic.
Okay.
Now we enter into what? Classic.
Classic.
What is the username here? Mohammed Ibrahim.
Okay.
Tell me, is it difficult or easy? Very easy.
Very easy, sir.
The way how you create the account in Gmail,
Easy.
that's in the same way we can create the account in Salesforce. Even working is also very easy. This environment is completely and so user-friendly, guys. It's not at all difficult. Very simple application. See, guys, one thing I can tell you at this particular point of time before I wind up the session, this is the right time to crack the job in Salesforce. Please utilize this time. That is the only thing I can tell you at this particular point of time. After that, that is up to you. That is your decision making. Clear, all of you guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So one more thing is this is regarding the certification. So how important is certification in the market?
Certification, as far as certification point of view is concerned, suppose if you have any plans to go to some other country like US and Canada and all, okay, Australia, then you require certification.
Okay.
And you need to focus on certification. Suppose
Okay.
as long as you are working in India, you do not require any certifications because Indian companies are not more focused on certification. If we have certification, no problem. Understand? But certification is not that much important.
Okay. Sometimes, sir, actually, when we look into the job opportunity in Naukri.com or something regarding to Salesforce, so they have mentioned over there like we need admin certification is mandatory. So that's why I asked this question.
Then you can, then you can write the exam, no problem.
So
Okay.
like
Certification, see, admin said 2 exams, development said 2 exams.
Okay.
Development said PD1, PD2, platform developer 1, platform developer 2.
Yes, sir.
This side also 2 exams, core
Okay.
and advanced.
Okay. So
Okay.
whatever the knowledge you are going to share, share
That is
with
more
us.
than enough.
So
Then
that is more than enough for
yes,
certification.
we can. I will give the dumps also.
Okay, correct, sir. Okay, sir.
Yeah.
And
So
sir, one more
see,
thing.
the one thing I can tell you guys,
Hmm.
your duty, it's your responsibility. Squeeze me the subject from my side.
Hmm.
Understand?
Okay.
Clear. Utilize me properly. Squeeze me like anything. I'm at your doorstep. Understand? It is all up
Yes,
to you
sir.
how you're going to grab the information from my side. That's it. Clear? Ibrahim, understand Mohammed Ibrahim?
Yes,
Hello.
yes, of course,
Thank
I
you.
do understand. Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah. Who's this?
Sir, Prem this sir. Sir, I have a question regarding to my brother.
Yeah.
He is currently pursuing BCA, his final year. But in the 10th class, he has less than 60%. So, should he go to MCA or join in Salesforce? I just want to is any he got a job Salesforce after because he is 10 not 60%. That's why I told.
That's okay. Not every company is looking for a academics percentage. Like
Okay.
suppose take the example Infosys company. Infosys company is very particular about your academics. From 10th class to up to graduation, okay, in all 10th plus 2 and graduation, you should require more than 60% is more.
Okay.
Go for Infosys and all. But small companies, they do not care about what percentage.
Okay. Thank you.
No problem.
Sir,
Initially join a small company. Once you got experience 1.5 years, then you can go for some other company. Big company.
Okay.
sir, do we have morning batch or evening batch for this?
So the batch timing is not yet decided.
Okay,
Please ask to the management of this.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
So overall, before I'm going to wind up the class, it was a session. Excuse me. So how you feel about the today's session, guys?
It's a wonderful session, Sai. We really enjoy this session. Very good.
Thank you very much. Ibrahim, understand?
Yeah, I thoroughly understood, and the session was very good.
Thank you. The guy who asked about the sales cloud, service cloud, what is his name?
Yeah, Anil, sir.
Anil, how you feel about the session?
Sir, it's nice, but I joined a little bit late, and I have attended 1 or 2 classes of your previous.
No problem. No problem. We will provide the recordings also.
Yeah, and sir, actually, I'm already working in service cloud, sir. So initially, I worked in financial service for wealth management, then hands-on in sales cloud, and so now actually I don't have much exposure in service cloud as a tester. So what organization they are doing in service cloud basically?
Because I never touched about the function side because I'm into technical side only last 5 years.
Okay.
So that is why I'm not aware of that completely regarding the service cloud and all.
Okay.
And my suggestion is I don't know how much salary you draw every month, but definitely you'll get more salary than this if you go for development side.
Okay.
Understand? So you can really enjoy the work in development. Actually, one of my student, his name is Rajashekar. Okay. So he is working on health cloud actually.
Okay.
Do you know health cloud?
Yes, sir, I heard the name. Like
health cloud.
Yes,
But
Salesforce
he
is
fed up
having.
with the job. Actually, health cloud is not. There is no scope to expose yourself.
Okay.
That is why he's learning what development, and now he's the technical side as a developer.
And sir, one more thing, like in market, like Salesforce has acquired Velocity platform something. So what is that like Velocity? It's a new in market competitor, like, or obviously they have acquired Velocity. So how is that like?
I didn't hear that, but what is that name? Tell me.
That's some velocity in Salesforce recently. Yeah.
I heard this name recently. I'm not aware of this. I need to do on some groundwork on this. Is that
Okay.
So what about the CPQ?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, CPQ is a configure, price, and quote actually. For that, you need to buy some separate server from the Salesforce company.
Okay.
It is very hot in the market, but he is not right now to go for CPQ without having any knowledge.
Okay.
Okay? There are so many different areas in Salesforce. You can go for Einstein Cloud. Okay, you can go for Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, Marketing Cloud, Commerce Cloud, Health Cloud. Okay,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
there are so many clouds out there. Fine, guys. I hope you enjoyed the session today.
Sir, one more question from my side, sir. Quick.
Yeah.
So with your training, how much expense can we put, sir? I'm just checking, sir.
When did you complete your BTech? How much gap do you have?
Sir, I have already 7 years experience in testing, sir. So I just wanted to check with you.
Okay. Actually, take down a number. Which company you're working?
So I'm working in IBM, sir.
95534, 95532 is the number.
1 second, just a second, sir. I'm just noting. Can you just repeat one more time, sir, please?
95534,
34. Okay.
95532.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Don't call me, message me. Okay. Generally, I do not look at the phone because I'm busy with some other classes.
Yes, sir. Understood, sir. Thank you, sir. Thanks.
What's your name?
My name is Basavaraj, sir.
Okay, guys. Shall I close the session? Anil?
Yes, sir. You're good. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you all. Thank you, Prem Kumar.